Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Mopar Matt here. Today we're gonna be doing the PCM and tuner swap on the 2018 and up Dodge Charger RTs. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is what comes in the box. Of course, you get the tuner, you get your bypass cable, and you also get your USB cable to be able to connect your tuner to the to your laptop or your desktop, so you can update it. Of course, the first thing you want to do is plug it up to the your laptop or whatever you got and update it. You can do it over Wi-Fi or you can do it with this cable. I have a MacBook personally, but I ended up just plugging this into like a wall connector and plugging it into the tuner. And I updated it over Wi-Fi. It was pretty quick, and I guess it got all the latest files that I needed. But first, you gotta install this bypass cable, and let me show you guys how that works. All right, guys, so the first thing you wanna do is come under here and use a pry tool to get all three of these clips out under the glove box. You should be able to get a pry tool from just about anywhere, like an auto parts store or something like that. But I also linked this kit I got off of Amazon down below. Then you're gonna wanna find your way to this green connector right here, and you're gonna plug the white connector in. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like after you get it all connected up. All right, so now you're gonna wanna plug the bypass into your OBD2 port. This is what it's gonna look like all hooked up. All right, so after that, you're gonna wanna plug up your tuner, and you should be greeted with this screen after it loads. You're gonna wanna agree to the terms, hit yes. You wanna hit tune vehicle. Then you wanna put your car in the run position. So what it should be doing now, or what you're gonna be doing, is getting a copy of the factory tune so I can install it on the unlocked PCM. All right, so now it's telling me to turn the ignition off and hit continue. Now it's telling me to turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine, just to the run position. And continue again. All right, so now it has a copy of the factory tune, and we can get to installing the unlocked PCM. So first things first, guys, you're gonna wanna take the negative terminal off your battery. This is a 10 mil I'm using to do this. And I'm gonna wrap it in this microfiber right here, just for precaution. As you can see, the car is completely dead, no trunk lights. So, all right, guys, once you get up front, you're gonna wanna pop these pieces out. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna pop these pins out. I did it all the way over to after this windshield wiper right here. And it's gonna be one little sneaky one over here in the corner. After you do that, you're gonna wanna take the cabin filter piece out. See, your cabin filter is down there. And you're gonna wanna flip this panel. Gonna have to be a little rough with it, so keep that in mind. I want to flip that panel up like this, and this is your PCM right here. And it's connected to this black bracket, which you have to switch off and put on the other PCM. I'll show you that in a few seconds. But this is a 13 mil right here. All right, we got our 13 mil right here. Next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna have to, it's gonna be two thick cables on the back of this PCM, and you're gonna have to unlatch them and pull them off. It might be a bit of a wrestle. This is the first time I'm ever doing this, so bear with me, please. Make sure this little clip right here, you guys can see that, make sure that clip goes all the way back so it'll pop out. This is your factory PCM. As you can see, it's color coded, so you can't get them mixed up. But you want to take this bracket right here, which is some 10 mils, I believe, and switch it over to the unlocked PCM. Yep, it is 10 mil. And you also want to switch this little rubber bumper over to the new PCM also. Just take it out just like that. So stick your rubber bumper right there. Bracket goes up top. Hope y'all seeing this. Brackets goes like that. And you can throw your sticker on your PCM if you want to. All right, we all bolted up. We all stickered up. Now we just do everything we just did in reverse. So the gray cable goes on the bottom, beige color on top, beige cable on top. All right, guys. So I'm not gonna bolt everything right back down just yet. I just want to make sure everything goes smoothly before I lock everything into place. But let's get back in the car. Well, reconnect the negative terminal, and let's get back in the car and finish the process. Okay, now that you're back up front, you want to get back into your scanner, and you want to get back to the screen, and you want to hit Tune Vehicle. Then you want to throw the car into the run position. And continue. It should be loading up the factory tune on this unlocked PCM. All right, then you're gonna run into this menu with Easy Tune and Advanced Tune, and you hit Easy Tune, and you can select between 93 tune and 91 tune. I run my car on 93, so I'm gonna hit the 93 tune. Yes. Press continue. Install standard tune. I guess I'm gonna put it in performance tune for the TCM. No, don't want to change the tire size. Remove speed limiter, yes. Yes. Then it's gonna do its thing, I guess. It says turn ignition off. I'm sorry about that noise, guys. Continue. Turn the ignition back to the on position. Shut the door. Continue. It's been updated. Reading PCM. Gonna let it do its thing on this loading screen. So turn the ignition to off. We continue. Another loading screen. We're gonna turn the ignition to on. Continue. And when I'm saying on, I mean like the run position, guys. Yes. It's asking that you wanna remove the freaking speed limiter. Apply selected tune with tire size, ratio. Yes. Now it's finally right in the tune to the car. All right, so let's turn the ignition to off. Continue. Turn the ignition to on. Turn the ignition to off. Continue. Turn it back to on. Let it load up. Continue. Exporting files. So now the car is going crazy like everybody said it's going to do. I've never seen that in all red flashing, but it's still writing the tune. So I guess it's writing the transmission tune to the transmission control module. That's why that's blinking. All right, turn it back to off and continue. Turn it back to on. You want to hit continue again. I like to let it load up just in case. Said tuning is complete. You may unplug the tool and enjoy driving your vehicle. Tap continue to reboot. So I'll let it reboot all the way before I try and start the car. All right, let's try and start the whip. Regular. I guess it's tuned, guys. Yeah, that was pretty simple. Other than just going back and forth with the tuner. Car running great. No lights on the dash. Motor sounds good. Yeah. Alright guys, I wanted to do the 93 tune testing today and see how the car drives and if it makes any more power, like noticeable power. Say you're supposed to gain like 13 horsepower just bone stock. But as you can see, it's wet outside and it ain't no fun playing with a real drive car in the rain. You asking for disaster. But make sure you stay tuned, guys. I got a lot of stuff coming for this big baby. That's the 309 diff right here. I'm gonna install probably about mid-March. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it myself. And I got a 6.4 intake. I gotta grab some more stuff for, but that will also be getting installed in the next few weeks. And we just installed the Unlock PCM, so I'm gonna try and get headers next month around, well, not next month, around April, before the summer. And I'm gonna have those thrown on there. And then I will be getting maybe like, probably an email tune from like Jay Green or somebody like Hemi Fever or somebody. And we're gonna take this thing out. We're gonna have some fun this summer, take it to some tracks, do some car meets, all that stuff. So make sure you tuning in and you subscribing, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, ask any questions. If I missed anything in this video, let me know, or ask me, like, whatever. Just let me know down below. Subscribe, comment, and we out.